Leaves. Everything's dying. So my allergies are not killing me. It's pretty. Minister of the Second Church. Wow, the Foster family, stonecutters or Dorchesters. And the earliest dates to 1722. 28 graves are believed to be Revolutionary War soldiers. Cool. Damn, she walks fast. Wonder what Pocahontas would have thought of the world today. Would she have been impressed, or would she have been disgusted by how little we have come in certain parts since the 1600s? But at least some nature has survived. And does that tree look like Mother Willow or what? Just saying. You think this week she's being polite? Damn. Is that the tree?
What?
That's the tree.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Can't believe it's already gone. Who you listening to? Who you listening to?
What?
Who is Fluffy Tree? It's amazing. You forget you're in nature and then you see humiliation. The humans.